So broadly, what we are based on this, view assumptions, the strategy which we think is right for importers is that we should continue to hedge. This is not the time to stop hedging because the 6 months outlook or 6 months to 1 year outlook is where we see spot higher than the forward premium. Forward premium has also come down nowadays. For 6 months, it's only around 90 paisa, and for 12 months, 180 paisa. So we see the rate going beyond the forward rate within 6 months mostly, but maybe it can take a couple of months more or less. Less also is highly possible. So that is the thought process, and hence we feel that the hedge ratio of medium to high is good. Rather than a low hedge ratio or a medium hedge ratio, it should be somewhere between medium and high. Exactly what is medium and what is high, that is different for different companies because of your risk cycle is different, your order cycle, order to payment timings are different. So that we can discuss specifically if you want, but broadly it should be on the higher side. And since there are uncertainties, we can use options whichever companies have option readiness, option should be used to manage the uncertainties. For example, you want to be protected if rupee goes to 83 or 84, but at the same time, if it moves to 81 or 80, you should be in a position to take the benefit. That is for the short term. And for medium term exposure, like a 6 months exposure, 1 year exposure, if you have, then I would say forwards are a good choice. Instead of going for option, you can go for plain vanilla forwards because the premium has come down. And earlier, there used to be some option structure which used to give good advantage over forward premium. Now that has, to some extent, has eroded, but it will come back once rupee moves a bit towards 84, 85. Then again, those options will become decently attractive because it's a two-way market now. It's no more a one-way market. Like 73 to 83, the view was quite one-way. But now I think we are reaching close to the top. Maybe one more dollar strength, maybe a bit extended dollar strength, but that's it. I mean, there will be a time, sometime in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months, 9 months, where things will start reversing. Stability will seep in, will come in. So that's the thought process for the USD imports. For Euro GBP imports, if you have, then on the Euro, the hedge costs are still high, 35 paisa per month. So that's on the higher side. So you can use options. Euro options are available, and Euro options make sense. Wherever we have used Euro options, it has worked out very well. That can be used for your payment hedging. So that if there is a reversal and it comes back to 81 or 80, then you are not locked in with a high forward rate on the export, on the import side. So similarly, GBP also, you can use options. And otherwise, we don't think too aggressive hedging on GBP and Euro is good at this point of time, because the move has happened, and hedging at this stage would basically mean that you're locking in a high rate for Euro and GBP imports. JPY import hedge cost is very high, 8% per annum. 8% is the forward premium for JPY INR. So I think it's better not to hedge at this stage. Wait it out, look forward to a level of 0.55, 0.56 kind of level, and also be careful about look for the reversal time. Like generally, JPY imports are there for companies who import technology products from Japan or capex machineries from Japan. So if you have those one-off exposures, wait it out. When you see that the level is stable and 6-7 months have passed, that will be the better time to hedge. JPY moving towards 5.5 or 5.4 kind of levels.